There are several high income skills today that can actually change your financial situation forever. Change your financial life. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through the top 6 high income skills you can actually start learning right now. In fact, you do not need to actually learn every single thing. All you have to do is to choose which one best resonates with you, learn it, and see what the result will be. Let's get into it. The number 1 high income skill you can actually start learning right now is actually content creation, which is what I'm doing right now. So you have to learn how to actually shoot content, how to distribute your content. And what are the skills you need to learn about content creation? You have to learn scripting, getting the right niche, and how to niche down as well. So you have to learn how to shoot either using your phone or using a camera, right? Then after you have done that, you have to learn how to edit, which means you have to pick one editing software and learn how to use it to edit your videos. So once you have done that, you have to learn how to actually distribute your videos to different platforms to build followers or subscribers. So what are those followers or subscribers for? It is for you to actually sell your services or your products without a paid ads. Can you now see where it becomes high income? So from the start, you don't make money. Instead, you actually spend time and money building this particular platform. It's like actually getting a store in a big market and you actually furnish it, buy some products in it, and start selling using the crowd that come into the market. You get it right now. So it is a high income skill. If you learn how to actually create content, just like what I'm doing right now, believe me honestly, you're going to actually make lots of money. So this particular, content creation tied every other skills together. If you must sell your services or your skill, creating content around it is actually what will actually pay you more. The next high income skill you can start learning ASAP right now is actually AI automation. Companies or businesses want to actually save time and reduce costs by automating some repetitive tasks or work like reports, emails, customer support, lead generation. They want to actually make sure everything is automated without them doing it manually. So which means if you can create a process where this is done automatically, then you have a job because you're going to save them from doing it manually. That actually takes them a lot of time to have it done. Now, what are you supposed to do? You have to learn the best AI tool for automation. And if you can do that, believe me honestly, you have a job. And if you want to sell a skill very fast, I told you, content creation tied every other skills together. You have to learn how to use content to distribute your skill or what you know to others. That will actually help you to get some kind of gigs, offers quickly, because most persons will see your videos, they wouldn't know how to do it, or they wouldn't have the whole time in the world to do it themselves. So the next thing they think of, let me call this guy and actually ask him to do it, no matter how much he charged. That is exactly how you can start making money as somebody who automates processes for companies or organizations. Another high income skill you can start learning right now is data analytics, which is my own personal career. I am a data analyst and a successful one indeed, right? So if you look at it, companies and businesses are sitting on a tons of data every single day, and they don't know what this particular data is saying. It's just raw, dirty. They don't actually use it to actually make decisions. So where do you come in? You have to learn a tool that will be able to actually help you to pick this particular data, have it cleaned, transform, get it ready for analysis, analyze it, create reports around it, or dashboard that to actually help this particular business or this organization to make smart decisions without basing their decision on guesswork. You get it right now. So what are the tools required for you to analyze data? Like Excel is there, Power BI, Tableau, R, Python, Google Looker Studio, Google Sheets, several tools are there for data analysis. All you have to do is to pick the best one that best resonates with you. You don't have to learn every single tools out there to analyze data. So if you want to learn about data analytics using Microsoft Excel and Power BI, I have this particular channel that will teach you every single thing you need to know. So there are several YouTube channels that teaches, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, R, or Python. Just go ahead and actually search for it for free and start learning. Then I said to you, content creation tied everything up, right? That's exactly what it is. So I have made a lot of money through content creation on my channel. Then people come and they want to actually do something, maybe try to create a particular dashboard I have actually created by using their own data. They can't do it. What will they do after all? Put call through to me and I get paid to have it done, right? So there are several ways you can actually start making money as a content creator, but the top one is selling your services or your product. That is exactly what it is. So learn how to actually create content around it and push prospective clients and employers to your page or to your YouTube page. Then you're going to get paid for it. Another skill on my list is actually performance marketing. That is paid ads. Spend X and make Y, which means you're going to help companies or businesses, get conversion, get sales, make sales. So what are you supposed to do? You have to learn how to run ads on different platforms. Although you don't have to focus on all platforms, but you just have to actually focus on a particular platform to actually help you to get a client that wants to actually advertise on that particular platform. Platforms like Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X is there. And as well, LinkedIn, you can actually focus on either of them to learn how to use those platforms to actually, create ads and help people to actually get conversion. Conversion is the key to this particular business, right? It's not about you just throwing some ads out there. Does it convert? So if somebody knows that this guy can run an ad that converts, they'll run quickly to you. It's very important. And there are several videos out there on YouTube that can actually start teaching you right now how to run ads on every single platforms. Then if you learn it, your business is not far away from you, specifically if you use content creation to actually, push yourself to prospective clients out there. Software development is another high income skill you can start learning right now. I'm talking about web development or mobile app. Don't worry, even though if you think AI has taken over this particular industry, it is still worth getting into. Do you know that AI does not prompt itself? AI does not do the garbage in and garbage out. Human does. So be part of the human that actually go to AI and ask AI to do X, Y, and Z. All you have to do is to learn the elementary of any software that you're going to use to actually create your web app, mobile app, whatsoever. Then go to AI and ask AI to fasten the whole processes for you. And one of the beautiful things about this particular industry is that you can actually sell your own product, which means you can actually create your own software, your own mobile app, and sell it to others or ask others to use it while you make money from it. And don't forget to actually package yourself using content creation. It's very important. Sales is another high income skill you can actually start learning right now. If I talk about sales, what comes to mind? By just telling somebody to buy this, or buy this, have it in your store, or sell it online? No, that is not just what it is. So I'm talking about high ticket closing. That is where you actually convince people to buy expensive products or sign up for expensive services. Every single conviction that you actually make successfully, you get commission from it. So all you have to do right now is to go to YouTube and search for some couple of videos about high tickets, closing, about sales, and start learning. Then after you have done that, package yourself using content to sell your services to people that actually deserve it. All right, everyone, I believe this particular video will definitely give you some head up on what kind of skill you can actually start learning ASAP without having any doubt if it would actually make money for you. All you have to do is to, first of all, make your research. It's very important before you delve into any one of them. And to cap it all, content creation can actually spotlight you to everywhere in the world and sell your skills, sell your product, and make a lot of money from it. I believe this particular video will definitely help someone. Follow for more. I'll be right back again with more content just like this.